of a three-cylinder locomotive. Okay. The three cranks of a three-cylinder locomotives are all on the same axle and are set at 120 degree. It means total number of cylinders are 3 and the angle between three cylinders is 120 degree. So let us assume the first mass is acting in horizontal direction. So the distance, the angle between first mass and second mass is 120 degree. Let the first mass is A, second mass will be B, and the angle between second and third mass is again 120 degree. It is given in the numerical. So the three cranks of a three-cylinder locomotives are all on the same axle and are set at 120 degree to each other. So the angle between all the cranks is 120 degree. So this one is the space diagram. This one will be our space diagram. The pitch of the cylinder is 1 meter and stroke of each piston is 0.6 meter. The pitch of the cylinders is 1 meter. It means we are having three cylinder. This will be cylinder A, this will be cylinder B, and this one will be cylinder C. The pitch of the cylinders is 1 meter. It means the distance between the cylinders will be 1 meter. The pitch of the cylinders is 1 meter. It means the distance between the cylinder is 1 meter. It is given in the numerical. So this diagram is known as plane diagram. Okay. And stroke of each piston is 0.6 meter. Stroke given है बेटा. Stroke of each piston is 0.6 meter, and we know that radius is equal to 2 times the stroke. Radius will be equal to 2 times the stroke, so we can calculate the value of radius also. The reciprocating masses are 300 kg for inside cylinder and 260 kg for each outside cylinder. Okay, beta mass given है. The reciprocating masses are 300 kg for inside cylinder. जो हमारा inside cylinder है उसका मास कितना है 300 kg and 260 kg for each outside cylinder. दोनों outside cylinder का मास कितना है 260 kg. And the planes of rotation of the balance masses are 0.8 meter from the inside cylinder. जो हमने बैलेंसिंग मास यूज करने हैं उनका प्लेन का डिस्टेंस कितना है 0.8 मीटर फ्रॉम द इनसाइड सिलेंडर. सो दैट इट विल बी x एंड y. सो दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी 0.8 मीटर. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनसाइड सिलेंडर एंड बैलेंसिंग मास इज 0.8 मीटर. सो दिस इज द डाटा विच इज गिवन इन द न्यूमेरिकल. इफ 40% ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकेटिंग मासेस आर टू बी बैलेंस्ड. बेटा हमारे पास जो मासेस अवेलेबल है दैट इज 260 kg, 300 kg एंड 260 kg. बट इट इज गिवन इन द न्यूमेरिकल दैट इफ 40% ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकेटिंग पार्ट्स आर टू बी बैलेंस्ड. जो हमने बैलेंसिंग करनी है वो 40% करनी है. इट मींस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 40% ऑफ 260, 40% ऑफ 300 एंड 40% ऑफ 260 degree. So let's draw the table. First of all we are having serial number. Then we are having mass, then radius of rotation, serial number, mass, radius of rotation, then it will be centrifugal force divided by omega square, then there will be distance, and at the end it will be couple. So serial number is mass A, then X, First of all A, then X. After X it will be B, Y and C. B, Y and C. Okay, mass will be 260 kg. Mass of A is 260 kg. Then X it will be mx. Then B it will be 300 kg. Then mass Y, we have to find the value of mass Y, that it will be my, and the value of C is 260 kg. Now it is given in the numerical that we have to balance 40% of the masses. If 40% of the reciprocating parts are to be balanced, what will be the 40% of 260? बताइए बेटा, 40% of 260 and 40% of 300. $104. 300, 120. Okay. Then what will be the radius of rotation? What will be the radius of rotation of the balancing mass? What will be the radius of rotation of the balancing mass? 0.6. And what is the radius of rotation of remaining masses? 0.6 and 0.6, and the value of the remaining value will be 0.3. It is given in the numerical that stroke will be equal to 0.6 meter, and we know that stroke is equal to 2 times the radius. 2r is equal to 0.6 or r will be equal to 0.3 meter. Stroke will be equal to 2 times the radius. So centrifugal force divided by omega square, we know that Fc will be equal to mr omega square. So the value of Fc by omega square will be equal to mass into radius. Its value will be equal to mass into radius. 104 into 0.3. Tell me beta. 104 into 0.3. Anji. 31.2. Then it will be 0.6 into mx, 120 into 0.3, 36. Then we are having 0.6 into my, and 104 into 0.3, 31.2. How many variables are there? There are 2 unknown variables. One is mx and another one is my. So we cannot start with the force polygon. Okay? So we have to draw the couple polygon also. So let us take mass x as the reference plane. So distance between A and x, the value is 1, here the value is 0.8, so the remaining value will be 0.2. So it will be minus 0.2. As we have discussed in the previous lectures, all distances taken towards left of reference plane will be taken as negative, and all distances taken towards the right of reference plane will be taken as positive. Then the distance between x and reference plane is also x, so the distance between x and x will be 0. Then distance between reference plane and B, it is 0.8. Then distance between x and y, it will be 1.6. And the distance between reference plane x and C, what will be the value? 1.8. Check karo beta, 1.8 here. It's 0.8 plus 1, it will be 1.8. Okay. So now we have to find the value of couple. 31.2 into minus 0.2. 31.2 into 0.2. Hurry up, tell me the value. 6.24. Okay, then this value will be 0. 0 into 0.6 into mx, the value will be 0. 36 into 0.8, 28.8. Then 1.6 into 0.6, 1.6 into 0.6, nani beta? 0.96. Okay. 1.8 into 31.2, 56.16. So these are the values for couple polygon. बेटा ये फिगर बनाओ जल्दी. Everyone must draw the space diagram, then draw the plane diagram, and then draw the table. I am giving you a break for 2 minutes. इसको जल्दी बनाइए. या तो पॉज कर लो. जी कंटिन्यू करना तो पॉज कर लो. 2 मिनट.